Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about Pianoforall. So if you want to learn piano and if you are enthusiast to play something, then this platform is the go-to for you. So you will be able to see we have different courses available here. You can head over to the link in the description below to access the platform out, and this is going to be really helpful. So try this out and make sure to use the link in the description to get a huge discount. You can see we have multiple different courses, how to play different keys and chords. And yeah, so you can see the sample lesson is also available that you can try out and follow along. Make sure that you follow step by step to get the best out of the platform. So that is going to be pretty much it, and I hope this helps. See you guys around in the next video.